I'll show you 4 quick fixes to resolve the stretched screen problem in Windows 11. Press the Win plus I keys simultaneously on your keyboard to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on System on the left side of the pane. Now, travel to the right side of the window and select Display. Next, in the Display settings, scroll down and under the Scale and Layout section, go to Display Resolution. Here, either select the recommended setting from the drop-down to be on the safer side, or select a resolution of your choice that suits you the best. Go to Start, right-click on it, and select Device Manager from the context menu. In the Device Manager window, go to Display Adapters and expand the section. Right-click on the graphics driver and select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. In the next window, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Next, check the box next to Show Compatible Hardware and select an older version of the driver from the list in the Model field. Press Next to complete the installation. Once done, exit the Device Manager window and restart your PC. You should now see a normal screen instead of a stretched screen on your Windows 11 PC. Press the Win plus R shortcut keys on your keyboard to open the Run command window. In the Run command search bar, type devmgmt.msc and hit Enter to open the Device Manager window. In the Device Manager window, navigate to the Display Adapters section, right-click on the graphics driver and select Properties. In the Properties dialog box, select the Driver tab. Here, click on Rollback Driver. This will roll back your graphics driver to a previous stable version. Press OK to save the changes and exit. Now close the Device Manager window and reboot your PC. The stretched screen problem on your Windows 11 PC should be fixed now. Press the Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run command window. In the Run command window, type devmgmt.msc in the search field and press OK. This will open the Device Manager window. Now expand the Display Adapters section, right-click on the graphics driver, and click on Uninstall Device. You will now see the Uninstall Device prompt. Check the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device. Click on the Uninstall button. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.